Hello, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent one of the tastiest export products of the Netherlands. Stroopwafel. This is the way us Dutchies say stroopwafel. The emphasis is on the first syllable. Stroopwafel. Stroop-wa-fel. Stroopwafel. For some foreign speakers, the two O's are pronounced as oo. This is incorrect for the Dutch language. It's just a longer O. Stroopwafel. Put a stroopwafel on top of your mug with hot tea and let it melt a bit. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!